Hello, welcome at Ascon Infosystems. Master Data Science and Statistics with R and Python Programming. This training is offered by Ascon Infosystems, Department of Data Science and Analytics. Why data science in 2025? There are various reasons that you should learn data science in 2025. High demand and career growth. Data science is one of the fastest growing field. Companies across industries need data professionals. High paying job opportunities are also available in the market, like data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. Data driven decision making helps business make informed decision based on data, reduces guesswork, and improves accuracy in predictions. Versatile applications. Using data science, you can create versatile applications for healthcare, finance, marketing, e-commerce, and education, and many more. For example, you can create fraud detection, personalized recommendation system, automation, enhances problem solving skill, teaches logical thinking, statistics, and machine learning techniques, helps to solve real world challenges efficiently. Future proof career. This is one of the basic thing that you should keep in mind. Data science is the core of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this is future proof career in the market. Competitive advantage in any industry. Even if you are not a data scientist, understand data can improve decision making, beneficial for managers, entrepreneurs, marketers, and other business persons. There are various opportunities available for freelancing and entrepreneurship. If you learn data science properly, you will be able to make data analytics, visualization, and you can be a machine learning engineer in the future as well. Let's have a look over the market size. This is number one skill that is in high demand. $20 billion market size is projected by 2026. 11 million jobs will be available by 2026. The average salary of data science and machine learning engineer is 8 LPA to 20 LPA. If you are experienced, it can be more than it. There are various jobs also available on LinkedIn, and the market size is growing rapidly. You can see this diagram where we have projected the annual salary of data science professionals, and various companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, Intel, Netflix, LinkedIn, Airbnb, Wipro, and so many companies are hiring data science and data analytics professionals. Who can join this program? If you are a student, you are a beginner, and you want to make a solid foundation in data science and statistics, then this program is for you. Freshers in data science. If you are experienced, you are working in somewhere domain like software development, web development, but you want to switch your career in data science domain, then this is best platform for you. Data analysts who are already working with data can enhance their skill like data manipulation, visualization capabilities, and research scholars. This program will be also helpful for the research scholars to empower their research, unlike insights, enhance accuracy, and data-driven innovation. So let's have a quick review over the course module. In the module 1, we are teaching basics and advanced R programming. In the module 2, basics and advanced Python programming. Module 3 will cover data visualization using R programming. Module 4 will cover data science visualization using Python programming. Module 5, it is very important module because you will learn statistical modeling using R programming. In the module 6, you will learn statistical modeling using Python programming. In the module 7, you will have capstone project to apply all your learning, all your concept in the real world application, and this will be guided by our expert team. You will be able to solve the real world problems. Other important details like fee details and batch details are also given over here. You can join our morning batch, you can join our evening batch, you can join us in the weekend, Saturday and Sundays. And the special thing is that we are delivering this course in English and Hindi language both. So there is no problem for you. We are always there to support you. What you will achieve by learning this course? You will have statistical foundation, a great foundation in statistics and R programming, advanced data science techniques, research communication and publishing. If you want to publish any research paper using data science, business and industry application, data visualization and storytelling. Here we are covering R, Shiny, Tableau, Power BI and Python libraries and many more. Our past experience is very great. Number of students have trusted us and they have got training from our expert. So what you are waiting for? Join us. Thank you.